Now let's talk about cell movement. Movement is one of the important factors of living organism, and there are basically a few reasons why cells have to move. One of them is in response to stimuli. Once a cell is exposed to a new change in the environment, it moves either towards that change or away from that change. Another movement is the growth movement. When cells grow, they actually move towards a particular place. Like as we discussed during growth, we talk about the apex of the plant and the roots of the plant. Now, when cells in that apex grow, they actually move more towards the top. So these are two reasons why cells can move. Another reason is that cells move to obtain food. When cells see food in the environment, they have to move towards the food. Now, there are organelles for movement in a cell, the cilia and the flagella. And then we also have what is known as the pseudopodia. Now, these organelles for movement in the cell, like the cilia is a set of hair-like structures that surround some cells. For example, we look at the paramecium. It's surrounded by so many hair-like structures, and this helps it to move by the sideways beating. They are in a liquid medium, and beating around the medium enables them to move, more like rowing a boat. The singular form of cilia is cilium. The plural is cilia. I needed to state that. Now, another one is flagella. The singular of flagella is flagellum. There are some organisms with a single flagellum, like the euglena, while there are others with two flagella. And flagellum is a whip-like structure, unlike the cilia, which is hair-like. And what it does is that it creates a current by whipping the water or the liquid medium. This whipping movement creates a force which propels the cell forward. Then there's another form of movement which is cyclosis. Cyclosis is what is most common, especially in animal cells and in amoeba. Now, this cyclosis is the use of this membrane of the cell. It adjusts this membrane, creates a pressure within itself that somehow propels the cell forward, more like creating a differential pressure between the part that the direction it wants to move and the direction it is moving away from. That forms a structure which we call the pseudopodia, more like fake foot. And that is that for cell movement.